basically what we gotta do is just put these flanges in here. They want them as a slip-on flange. They want them from 8 inches from the end to the face, and then another flange is gonna come in here and it's gonna grab something else. But it's easy money, guys. Thankfully, I had this tubing laying around, so I sold them to the guys. I told them, look, bro, to me it's just a scrap. All right, guys, so I just told them, hey, to be honest, for me it's just a scrap. But I mean, if you want to bless me, it's up to you, brother. So I'm just gonna charge you for labor. So labor, he offered me $350, which I think that was too much, but I didn't say no. So he offered me $350, and for the pipes, since they needed them and they didn't have them on stock at the steel supply, I told him, hey, I have them. I mean, like I said, you know, you can take them, we can do the work. I mean, it's okay with the $350. So anyways, he blessed me with $800 total. That's with labor and the pipes. I know I don't like to keep scrap, to be honest, but today was a blessed day, to be honest. So I got everything ready. I'm gonna turn on the machine. I haven't turned it on in a while, to be honest. So let's see how it does. There he goes. I knew she wouldn't give up on me. A sexy girl. Now I'm gonna be using my pancake and obviously my snake belly welding lens. Alright, so let's get to it, guys. I don't have nobody to record me, but I'm just gonna leave my phone over there, and then so you can record the process. Usually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use 1/8 of an inch rod. I'm gonna use 1/8 of an inch rod, weld it all the way around. Obviously make sure it's square, you know, because it's a flange, it has to be square. It's a slip-on flange. And then weld the back of it, and then we should be good. Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked the video. It wasn't much, but it was something that I did over the weekend. Remember, I got the school going, so I can't do that much. It felt really good to be working from the back of my truck, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't hot. Perfect was the weather was great. It was perfect, and I had fun. Everything came out good, so customer liked it. He was really happy. Like I said, it was $800 in about an hour. I think it took me more than of getting off and making this video than just what I did. Always keep moving up. I mean, there's a lot of people out there always trying to bring you down. Don't let those guys bring you down, you know. Keep doing your thing. Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribe please. Thank you for liking the videos, and thank you for sharing. We have 5,000 followers already, subscribers, I'm sorry. We have 5,000 subscribers, so that's really good, guys. Thank you very much. We're gonna do a giveaway of a remote and a welding lens. Go make sure to follow me on Instagram, Arc Show. That way you guys can be aware of when are we gonna do it, and who's gonna be the winner. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for all the support. God bless everyone, and have a great weekend, guys.